Imagine an ancient book filled with mysterious symbols and drawings, a code that has baffled the world's best cryptographers for over a century. What secrets does it hold, and why can't anyone read it? The Voynich manuscript is one of the most enigmatic artifacts in history. Discovered in 1912 by antiquarian Wilfrid Voynich, this medieval codex is written in an unknown language, accompanied by bizarre illustrations of plants, astronomical symbols, and unidentifiable creatures. Since its discovery, the manuscript has puzzled linguists, historians, and codebreakers. The text appears to be written in a consistent language with its own grammar and syntax, yet no one has been able to decipher it. The illustrations add to the intrigue, depicting plants that don't exist and celestial diagrams that defy known astronomical knowledge. Some believe it to be an elaborate hoax, while others speculate it could be a work of secret knowledge or a medical text from an unknown civilization. Throughout the years, countless experts have tried to crack the code. In World War II, even the codebreakers who deciphered the Enigma code couldn't unravel its secrets. More recently, AI and machine learning have been employed, suggesting that the manuscript could be written in an extinct language or a cipher yet to be understood. Despite these efforts, the manuscript remains unreadable. Various theories about the Voynich manuscript's origin and purpose abound. Some suggest it might be the work of alchemists, containing hidden knowledge of medicine and science. Others think it could be a guide to a mystical or lost culture. There are even theories proposing it was created by a brilliant mind as a linguistic experiment or as an elaborate prank. Today, the Voynich manuscript resides at Yale University's Bainick Rare Book and Manuscript Library, where it continues to fascinate and frustrate scholars. Despite advanced technology and extensive research, its true meaning and purpose remain a mystery.